molecules. What is meant by molecules? Already we saw in earlier classes. Two or more atoms combined together by a chemical force of attraction to form a molecule. There are classified into two types. One is homoatomic, another one is heteroatomic. What is meant by homoatomic? The molecule is made up of same kind of atom. That is, you take O2, Cl2, N2, you split this one O comma O. This one you split Cl comma Cl. So similar molecules, atoms will be presented. So same kind of atoms. That is known as homoatomic molecule. What is meant by heteroatomic molecule? Different types of atom combined together to form a molecule. That is, you take H2O, NO2, like that. See, hydrogen another one atom, and oxygen also different kinds of atom. Nitrogen, oxygen here. So different kinds of atoms combined together to form a molecule. Okay, next topic we go to atomicity. What is meant by atomicity? Atomicity means number of atoms that is presented in a molecule. The molecule contains how many atoms we have to calculate. That is known as atomicity. And another one is that is how it will be presented in the nature. Whenever it will be presented, what is the ratio of the molecule? That is known as atomicity. Okay. Now we go to that one. You take some of the example, that is Cl2, H2SO4, H2O, S8 and P4 I given. Now we have to calculate the how many number of atoms that is presented in a molecules. That is, you take first one Cl2. How many atoms? 2 Cl. That is Cl comma Cl. So 2 atoms. So it is a diatomic molecule. Okay. Next you see here 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. Totally how many atoms? 7 atoms. So it will be belongs to poly. So first one mono, di, tri, after poly. Mono means only 1 atoms. Di means 2 atoms. Tri means 3 atoms. And poly means more than 3 atoms will be presented. That is known as polyatomic. It may be homo or hetero. Okay. Next we go to homoatomic molecule. What is meant by homoatomic molecule? Already we saw that one. That also divided into 3 types. That is homodiatomic molecule. Sorry, homodiatomic molecule, homotriatomic molecule, and polyatomic molecule. Homopolyatomic molecule. I given the example also. See here, only 2 atoms will be presented in a same kind. See here, H2, Cl2 and N2. Okay. In triatomic molecule, only one, that is ozone. It contains 3 atoms of oxygen. Next, polyatomic, it consists of more than 3 atoms. See here, phosphorus and sulfur having more than 3 atoms. That is P4 and S8. Heteroatomic molecule. These are classified into 3 types. That is heterodiatomic molecule, heterotriatomic molecule, heteropolyatomic molecule. See here, only 2 atoms, but it will be different. In before we saw that one same kind, here different kinds. Here you see 3 atoms, that is 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. That is known as hetero. Hetero means different kind. Okay, polyatomic means more than 3 atoms. It may be before that there are similar, here it will be different. Okay, now we go to classify the following based on the atomicity. Okay, how will you classify? First you have to count the atoms. Before that, whether it is homo or hetero. So see here O2, it is a homo. So you write it as homo. Okay, next, how many atoms are presented? 2. 2 you write it as di. So next, atomic. This is a molecule. So homodiatomic molecule. That's all. This is a classification of molecules. Okay, next, S8. This also same kind of atoms. So you write it as first homo. Next you count the number of atoms presented in this molecule. There is 8 atoms in this molecule. So poly. More than 3 means you write it as polyatomic molecule. Polyatomic molecule. Okay, next you see here HNO3. In this you have to see that there are different kinds of atom, that is hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen will be presented. So you write it as hetero. Next, you count the number of atoms presented in the molecule. That is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So, more than 3. So, you write it as polyatomic molecule. So, heteropolyatomic molecule. The classification is... Okay, next, you see, here also heteroatomic because this is sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. There are 3 different kinds of atoms. So, hetero. Okay, next, how many atoms will be presented? You count it. 1, 2, 3. So, triatomic molecule. Okay, next example, that is C6H12O6, that is glucose. Here see carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So, this also hetero. So, hetero. You count the number of more than 3. First itself it having 6 atoms. So, more than 3 atoms. So, you written as polyatomic molecule. Next, we have to see molecular mass. What is meant by molecular mass? Molecular mass is nothing but by adding the atomic mass of the all atoms that is presented in a molecule. One molecule contains 5 atoms, 6 atoms, 2 atoms, 3 atoms. Those having how many atoms, that mass you have to addition means you get the molecular mass. So, first example you see, I take it as H2O. You find the molecular mass of this H2O. You first identify how many atoms in it. So, oxygen contains only 1 atom. So, 1 into oxygen. Hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, that 2 into H equal to, see here, atomic mass of oxygen. Before class I say the atomic masses of some of the element. In this end of the video, I will give the atomic masses of some of the element. You have to know it. Okay, 1 into oxygen is equal to 1 into 16 equal to 16. Next, 2 into hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1. So, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Totally, you can add it 18. So, molecular mass of H2O is equal to 18. Okay, this one it is very easy to find out. But here see another one example I given. CaOH twice. How will you calculate this one? Here twice will be presented. So this twice will be applicable for oxygen and as well as hydrogen. So first of all, before you go into molecular mass, find the molecular mass, you have to multiple this one to here. So CaO2 and H2. Next H2, see here 2 into H is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next 2 into oxygen equal to 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Next calcium, 1 into calcium is equal to 1 into 40 is equal to 40. Totally 74. Relative molecular mass. What is the formula of relative molecular mass? Equal to molecular mass of the substance, that is divided by 1 by 12th part of carbon 12 isotope. Then you get the relative molecular mass. Now we have to find the relative molecular mass of water, that is H2O. How will you calculate? First you have to calculate the molecular mass by taking L shape. That is this one. 1 into oxygen, 2 into hydrogen. Okay, 1 into 16, 2 into 1 equal to 16, 2. Totally 18. This one you have to calculate here itself. Okay, next relative molecular mass. You know the formula. Molecular mass of substance, that is here water, 1 by 12th part of carbon 12 isotope. Relative molecular mass equal to mass of H2O is equal to 18. So you have to replace by 18. And carbon 1 by 12th part of, so 1 by 12. Carbon 12 isotope mass is 12. So 12 cancel 1. So 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18. So how will you say relative molecular mass? Means the H2O is 18 times heavier as 1 by 12th part of mass of a carbon 12 isotope. Dear students, you see here atoms and atomic mass and symbol also I given here up to 13 elements. You have to know these elements atomic mass and you have to calculate the down given sums. You have to complete in your note itself.
Okay, thank you.